Experience peaceful living, boundless space, and endless views. Welcome to 12450 Imboden Road, where sophistication meets serenity. With over 7,000 square feet, this home features soaring 20-foot ceilings, a beautifully designed interior, a spacious and modern kitchen, 8 bedrooms, 6 baths, and state-of-the-art technology for both comfort and convenience. Enjoy morning coffee or evening sunsets from either of the 2 balconies, each offering stunning panoramic views. Signature features include 2 en-suites, a fully finished basement designed for entertaining, featuring a private theater, a full bar, and spacious lounge area. Ultimate peace and privacy on 35 acres, where your Colorado dream comes to life.